Good morning, good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today it's August 19, 2023. It's Saturday. So today we will do some quad workout. We will do some legs. Before we train, we will eat first lunch. So the lunch is depends to the availability of the food. So as much as I can, I try to eat healthy food as much as I can for the whole year round. So we trying to get lean as much as we can. So now my body fat is less than I think less than 10% now. So we are just maintaining for the time being. So I already prepared the lunch. The lunch is depends to the availability. So this is the lunch that I prepared. So because we will do legs today, so maybe we will do some heavy on the linear leg press. Maybe we can push there around 300 kilo. So we need some carbs. So that's gonna be our fuel when we do the leg training later. So this is the lunch that I prepared. So we have a source of protein here. Then we have some vegetable, and we have this chicken biryani rice. So this will be our source of carbs. So this is gonna be our fuel later when we do the leg workout. So this chicken patty, it's a grilled patty. So each patty it contains around 20 to 25 grams of protein. So these two patty is already 50 grams of protein. So it's gonna be enough when we do the training later. Then we have this lettuce and capsicum and broccoli. So this is source of multivitamins and minerals. Also this it's a very beneficial if you want to lose weight. This one also help to reduce the blood sugar in our body. So if you want to lose weight, if you want to reduce the blood sugar in your body, so you just recuperate this at this vegetable in your breakfast, lunch or dinner. So it depends to the availability. If you have cucumber, it's okay. It's carrot is fine. Lettuce. If you have capsicum or broccoli. So just check what food that it's available. This kind of vegetable. So just add this in your meal. So it will help also to your if you want to lose weight. So it's very beneficial. This vegetable. So this is the glimpse, my brother and sister, of our lunch today. August 19, 2023. It's Saturday. So yesterday we did some shoulder workout. I already uploaded that video, the shoulder workout last night. So that is a very good workout. So we did some presses there, but we didn't press too much on the back press. Then we did some side lateral and front raise and rear delt. So it's very basic. We just target all of the shoulder, the front, middle, and the back. So that's it, my brother and sister. So this chicken biryani rice, it's around 100 grams of carbohydrates. This is very important later because we will do some maybe. I will try to push 300 kilo in the linear leg press. If I can do more, I will check later my capacity, how much pressure we can do in the gym on the leg. So that's it, my brother and sister. For the time being, I will cut the video. Then I will update you later regarding our leg training. So have a good day, have a good night, my brother and sister. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my uploaded videos to my YouTube channel. So I'll see you soon again, my brother and sister. Peace.
سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is World Trade Center. Station is Max. المحطة سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي بنك أبو ظبي التجاري. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is ADCB.
Good evening, good morning my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today it's August 19, 2023. It's Saturday. So we just finished our lunch. Now we just drop off to the financial center. We will go now to the gym to train legs today. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. So I just dropped off to the financial center, my brother and sister. One of the metro station here in Dubai. I just ride metro, my brother and sister, when I'm going to the gym because it's more accessible for me. Today it's Saturday, it's weekend, so it's not that much people. So we have to go outside the metro. From here to the gym is around 5 to 10 minutes, my brother and sister. We will just go to the outside of the metro. So we are already outside the metro. So last night we did some shoulder workout. I already uploaded that video. So if you watch the lunch today, we eat some carbohydrates. We eat some chicken biryani rice. Because we try to push at least 300 kilo for the linear leg press. Then maybe we will do some hack squat. Let's see if it's available. We will use the hack squat. So we are near now to the exit of the metro. So today we will do only quads. Then maybe tomorrow we do some hamstring. Let's see. Now my weight is around 74, 75 kilo. So my body now is in good condition. My body fat is I think below 10%. So it's very good. So we already outside the metro. Financial center, metro station. So this is the 6 side road here in Dubai during afternoon. It's very nice view. Very nice weather today. Also, it's windy. Very nice weather. Maybe we will do 4 to 5 exercise for quads for our legs today. This area is very nice. It's cool. It's cold because it's in the shade, and also there's a lot of tree. So this time it's still not crowded in the gym because it's still early, around 3:30. So it's not that busy. Maybe after 6 p.m., 7 p.m. it's gonna be busy, even it's Saturday. So we have to go to that building, my brother and sister. That's the building. That's the building where we will train. Very nice view. Okay, my brother and sister, I will update you later when we already reach the gym. I'll see you again. Peace.